Hey guys, welcome back once again. So today we are going to be trying to lubricate this Rubik's Cube. If you guys know, this kind of feels like a dollar store Rubik's Cube because it's bad at turning. So you see how this turns? Horrible. And you know how this know how it turns so good, but this one doing, you just feel it. Like whenever you're watching this, you can't really feel it as much, but whenever you're actually playing with it, you can actually feel the difference. So let's go ahead and start by taking this whole entire cube apart. But first, what you're going to be needing is some petroleum jelly, or I'm just using lotion, I don't know, to see if it works. You need a Q-tip. You need a screwdriver if you can't get the middle piece out, which I can't. And you obviously need your Rubik's Cube. So what you're going to do is turn it to your 45-degree angle. You're going to put your flathead screwdriver, you have to have a flathead screwdriver, under your square, and you just kind of want to pop it out. If it doesn't work, don't like pry it and pry it and pry it. Don't force it out, because if you do it, you could end up breaking it. I'm just gonna try it right here, and that one just popped out. So right here, you can just take it out. You could just, if you wanted to, like if you really just don't feel like taking it all the way apart, you could just like leave it like that and start it. But I'm going to take it all apart because it's very fun to do that. So I'll see you guys whenever this is just the core. Okay guys, so I'm back, and now it is literally just the core. So the first thing we're going to want to do, I'm not going to put the lotion in yet. I'm not doing that until I'm nearly done. So you want to take this, you want to kind of just hook it up right there. You can move this to the side, and then you can do it. You can make it do it that. It's going to turn into a circle. So hook it in, then so you want to hook it in, and then you just kind of do that. Then the last piece is probably, like, to me it's like the easiest piece, but to y'all it probably is the hardest piece. It always just falls apart, so that's probably just wrong. There we go. Then you want to do the exact same. Here you want to hook it in, and it'll eventually just pop right in and stuff. If I'm going too fast for y'all, then y'all can pause the video or something. And this little thing, where it has to be flat at the bottom, and then more of the top for it to go in good, nicely. And then now for your first one of these. These, if you turn it to that way, it's going to go up. But these, if you turn the little slide or whatever to your way, it goes your way.
And then you want to take this thing and then make it so that it's like that. And then you just press, like, you just kind of push it in. And then it'll do it. Same right here. Hook it up until it's like that. And then you just do it. Right here, it's literally, you're literally doing the same exact thing. And then you want to just hook it in, so it's like that. And then after that, you can just hook it in. There's always that one where it's like a little bit hard. And then boom, you'll hear a click. I'm gonna grab some of your Q-tip. Mine has a little bit. Okay, and then you can just kind of paint it in your Rubik's Cube, wherever you want to. I really want to paint it all over. But you don't really want to get it all over the creases. There, that piece I really didn't need. And then, yeah. But yeah, guys, you really just want to paint it in there. That should really be enough. And if you think this part, the putting in part is a little bit hard, just go look to my other video. And then your cube will be nice and good. See you guys later. Bye.